In this video, we are going to see partial payments from customers, and that is the extension of part 1. For part 1, you can check out our complete playlist, and this is the part 2 where we will see some different strategy. So let's get started. Now the next transaction is of 9 January 2024 and it says cash received from Archer and Sons. So similar to this one, we are receiving the payment from another customer. So I recommend you to try it by yourself and then see the solution. Pause it at this point and try it by yourself and then compare. I'm sure that you have entered it correctly, but let me just show you how we will enter this one. I'll again go to receive payments from Archer and Sons. And the total balance due was 200,000, against which we are receiving 175. So let's write here 175,000 and it will automatically put this same amount in the payment. And the transaction date is 9th January 2024. So let's enter 9 January. Let's mention any reference number and we are receiving this payment in cash as well. Leave this as an underpayment and we are good to go. Save and close. And this is it. Let's move to the next transaction, which is very interesting because we have agreed with the vendor that we will get some discount, some 2% discount if we settle within 10 days. So here we have purchased some items on 3rd January and we are paying on 10th January. That means we are within 10 days. So we should avail this discount. So we will see the complete procedure of it.